Yo, what up guys, so in today's video what I want to do is show you guys something called steganography. Steganography is basically meaning secrets or certain secret messages or files inside files, and basically you get the idea, basically hiding something in a file. So in this case for today I have a file or a picture that has something in it, and what we're going to be doing is extracting this information from this picture to use to log in into FTP, right? So I'll show you guys how to do this in a second. So the first thing we need to do is update our dependencies. So we need to do sudo apt update. Once you do this, it'll update Kali and allow you to basically install something called stegcracker. If you do sudo apt install stegcracker, it'll allow you to install stegcracker, and then which can be used. It's basically a tool that allows us to crack images or files for text. For text basically, right? For messages. And if you do stegcracker -h, and I'll actually allow you to stegcracker file the word list, right? So I have actually these word lists. We're going to be using one, which is actually this one, sorry. This is, I want to show you something what to do in a certain situation. And this is the picture. So what we're going to be doing is stegcracker pic.jpg, and we're going to use word2txt. And actually, sorry, we need to do desktop. Right, so we're going to do stegcracker pic.jpg, which is our picture that we want to crack using the word list. Now you're going to ask, why do I have two word lists? Well, I've got a very, very good reason for this. Because I know that the password in this word list is right at the end, so it's about 95,000 plus. And the word list has, if you actually launch up another terminal, right, I can show easily that the word list that we're talking about has 100,000 words. So if you want to shorten it down to basically 5,000, what you can do is something called tails, or use the tails tool. So we're going to use tail -n plus 95,000 word, the word list we want to change, which is this one, and into word2txt, right? And if you do wcl word2txt, it'll show you the amount of lines, which is 5,000, which means we have successfully created a new word list which has basically anything above 95,000 to 100,000, which basically means a 5,000, right, if that makes any sense, into our new word list. So now if you can see, we have a new file. This is the output of our stegcracker which has created. So now if you do cat pic.jpg out, as you can see, it has given us a base64 hash. So if you do basically cat pic.jpg out, and then you do this, which is something called a pipe, and this, it's not really a pipe to me, it's a wall. I call it a wall, but professionally it's called pipe. Base64 -d, basically for decode, right? So if you decode it, what you can do is you get information. This information can be used to log into FTP. Now, it not necessarily, now this image, this message could be anything, right? It could be some credentials, some logins, it could be a secret developer message, it could be a token, it could be anything, right? So don't think it's FTP, it could be anything. It's basically up to your scenario. FTP at 10.10.81, and then if you just use this credentials, right, bam, we are in. As you can see, we are in WordPress FTP. Now a bonus, if you go to this file will display credentials of a database. How do I know? Well, because I know. So if you want to find out more information about WordPress hacking, or basically how to become a very, very good hacker and learn from the best, which is me, by the way, go to Udemy, and I'm running a discount right now for Udemy courses, which is also a hacking course. So make sure you secure your place right now, because once you get it, you will get lifetime updates from me. So make sure you get your place. All info is in the description, and check it out, and see you later guys. Thank you for watching.